Good morning, students. Today, Wednesday, I'm your English teacher, Vittal Matriculation School. Hope you're all doing well, right? Had your breakfast? Yes. Then, are you all happy? Last class, what we have seen? Are you all remember? Yes. In last class, a visitor from distant lands. Prose lesson, unit 3. Students, are you all identify the spices? Okay. See, look at the pictures. We already see the lessons, right? So, today warm up. Look at the pictures. What do their expressions tell you? Fill in the blanks with the item that tastes the same. Taste the same. One example is given for each. See, sweet, sweet, sugar can, sugar can. What is the another sweets? Do you like sweets, right? So tell me, candy, cake, cake, and ice cream. These taste are so sweet, right? And then sour. Sour means lime. You see, you drink a lime juice. What is your reaction? Yeah, like that. Cheese, vinegar, yogurt, lime, cheese, vinegar, yogurt. Yogurt means nothing but curd. You know curd? That is called as yogurt. And then bitter. Bitter gourd, right? Bitter gourd, do you like? But it gives so strength to our body, okay? Bitter gourd. Like taste, fenugreek, and olives, right? These are the bitter taste and salty, salt, right? Salty taste, pickles and seaweed, right? And then astringent, betel nut. See, these states betel nut, like that pickle, like that pomegranate, broccoli, and lentils, and pungent, ginger, means garlic, onion, like black pepper, garlic, onion, and black pepper. Yes, you all understood the taste. Then we already see the lessons, right? There are 4 characters: Mani, Mani's sister Selvi, Mani's Amma, and Mani's Appa, right? And then let me read the glossary. Students, are you all read the passage again? You have to read, okay? Foreign. Foreign means belongs to other country. Foreign means belongs to other countries. Other country. Merchants. People who trade. People who trade. Sailed. Traveled in a boat or ship. Sailed. Traveled in a boat or ship. Portuguese. People of Portugal. People of Portugal. Popular, well known. Popular, well known. Delicious, tasty. Delicious, tasty. And work in pairs, tick the best option. When Amma said, "Don't upset our foreign visitor," she meant potatoes. She meant potatoes. Selvi asked, "Did they come in an aeroplane?" Because she was joking. She was joking. Amma bought the vegetables from the shops. Amma bought the vegetables from the shops. And are you all write it in your note, right? Answer the questions. And then read the comic strip again. And you have to make a questions, right? Are you all make a questions? I'll give a 5 questions. Another 5 question you have to make, right? And then discuss in groups and share your views in 3 or 4 sentences with other in the class. And then add vocabularies, listening part. See, user, use, user, buy, buyer, sail, sailor, watch, watcher, operate, operator, foreign, foreigner, bake, baker, write, writer, govern, governor, act, actor. Yes. Then country and nationality. Portugal, Portuguese. France, French. China, Chinese. America, American. Sri Lanka, Sri Lankan. Spain, Spaniard. Spaniard, Spaniard. Spain, Spaniard. Burma, Burmese. Burma, Burmese. India, Indian. India, Indian. Thailand, Thai. Thailand, Thai. Listen to some interesting facts about spices and choose the best option. Red peppers have vitamin C. Red peppers have vitamin C. Red chilli is also called paprika. 1 pound is equal to 450 grams. Mint leaves help to cure upset stomach. Work in pairs. Take turns and speak about spices. See, Sarita and Divya discuss about the spices, right? Hi Divya, how are you? Hi, I'm fine, Sarita. What did you have for breakfast? I had idli with onion chutney. Do you know from which country onions came to India? Yes, onion came from Central Asia. Do you know chili too has come from somewhere else? Is it from South America? Yes, you are right. Many of the vegetables came from different countries of the world. See pictogrammar, right? Nouns. Nouns are words that name people, places, animals, or things, right? For example, chili, boy, box, puppy. Here they give young puppy, right? Here some green tomatoes. We mostly add s or es or ies to the noun to make the nouns plural boxes, tomatoes, chilies, puppies. And a long sharp beak. In a sentence, some words come before the noun to tell us more about the noun. These words together form a noun phrase. Here, a tall building. Example, a chilli, a green chilli, some green chillies, a round chilli, many tomatoes, some red tomatoes. Some red tomatoes. Examples. And then Today we are going to see the use grammar. See, red hot chili. Use 2 or 3 words from the box to describe each picture. Use 2 or 3 words from the box to describe each picture. Students, see this picture. Here they give for example for us. What is this? This is red chilli, right? Red chilli, red hot chilli. It taste very hot, right? So it is red hot chilli. And see, we have to find their name. They give the words, okay? What it is? It is red ball. Red ball. Where is ball? See, red ball. R-E-D, red. It is color, red color, right? So what it is? It is a ball. So red ball. And what it is? It is cat, right? Which color? Black color. So black cat. Black cat. C-A-T, cat. And what it is? It is the round table, right? Round table. The table shape, round shape. So it is round table. T-A-B-L-E, round table. Here they give words, right? Black cat. Where is black? See, black and cat. Cat. You have to find the words and then you have to write in the box, right? You see what it is? It is kangaroo. It is kangaroo. Which color it is? It is brown, right? So, it is the tall kangaroo with long tail. It have a long tail, right? So, brown and kangaroo. No need to brown color. And tall, right? Tall, tail, long tail, right? L-O-N-G, long. See, tall kangaroo, T-A-L-L, tall, kangaroo, K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O, kangaroo, with long tail, with long tail. Yes. And then here see, this house, right? It look like big house. Big house with windows. Big house with windows. Big house with windows. Big house with windows. And then here see, tiger with cubs, right? 2 cubs. Tiger with cute little cubs. Tiger with cute little cubs. Tiger's baby called as cubs, right? Then here the boy smiling and read a book, right? Smiling boy with the book. Smiling boy with a book. Then you see chilies, right? 3 chilies. 3 chilies. 3 chilies. And then what it is? It is snow, right? Ice snow. Ice snow mountain. Ice snow mountain. Icy. Icy Snow, mountain. Yes. Are you all understood? Okay, next, language checkpoint. Language checkpoint. Don't say, say note. Here, we ask many questions to others, right? So, we have to, how we ask question to others, we have to learn, and how we contact to question. Don't say, you should go to your house now. This statement is wrong. Then, you should go home now. This is the correct statement. If you ask your friend, you should go home now. Yes, this is the correct question. Note for this correct question. A house is any building used for dwelling in a home is the particular house in which someone lives. A house is any building used for dwelling in. A home is the particular house in which someone lives. Then stand in the middle of the circle. Stand in the middle of the circle. This statement is also wrong. Stand in the center of the circle. Stand in the center of the circle. Center is the point that is equidistant from the edge of a circle. Middle is the area equidistant from two sides. Example, middle of the road, middle of the row, middle of the page, right? So, if the circle, it is same distance, right? So, it is the center point. If they have row, it is two sides. So, two sides in between called as middle part. Okay. Then, it was a long travel. No. Long travel. No. It was a long journey. It was a long journey. And travel is the general term to describe going from one place to another place. A journey is one single travel. You make journey when you travel from one place to another. You cannot say travel. Then our life is a journey, not a travel, okay? Then correct the order of the words in bold and write them in the blanks. Write them in the blanks. The correct answer is here the bold letter is we have to arrange the words properly. It is like jumbled. Here green little the chilli. The correct order of the words, the little green chilli. The little green chilli. The little green chilli was very hot. Sailors many brave sailors. Many brave sailors tried to find a sea route to India. Many brave sailors tried to find a sea route to India. Here third one, brown dog the big. What is the correct sentence? The big brown dog. The big brown dog. It is so easy, right? Barked at the children. The big brown dog barked at the children. And fourth one is the spice most common. The most common spice. The most common spice. The most common spice used today in the red chilli pepper. Used today in the is the red chilli pepper. And fifth one is the path mud long. The path mud long. The long mud path. The long mud path led to a beautiful lake. Led to a beautiful lake. Are you all understood, students? The little green chilli was very hot. Many brave sailors tried to find a sea route to India. The big brown dog, dog, barked at the children. The most common spice used today is the red chilli pepper. The long mud path led to a beautiful lake. Play this game in the class. Make two teams. Each team should describe something in the class using at least 3 words. Two other team should guess it. Team a long thin glass rod. Team B, is it a tube light? Team A long thin glass rod. Team B, is it a tube light? Team A, yes. Like that you have to play a game. Okay, students? Then, writing part. How do you cook rice? Cook rice in your house. Rice is very easy to cook, right? Fill in the gaps in this recipe for cooking rice. Use the words in the box. Here they give words: wash, boil, water, heat, keep, rice, lid, low, water, more, ready. Right? What you will need? 1 cup uncooked white rice, 2 cups water, pinch of salt. How to make it? Yes. How to make it? First, what we have to do? First, we have to wash the rice, right? So, first one is wash. Wash the rice until the water runs clear. And then drain the water and keep the rice aside. No need the number. Wash the rice until water runs clear and drain the water and keep the rice aside. Keep the rice aside. In a medium sized pan, bring water to stove and boil it. Bring water to stove and boil it. And then fourth question, add the salt, stir, and then add the rinsed and drained rice. And then reduce the heat, cover the rice and let it simmer on low heat for low heat for 20 minutes and check after 15 minutes to see if all the dash has evaporated. If it has the rices dash. Here check after 15 minutes to see if all the water has evaporated and if it has the rice is cooked. Students, are you all understood? If not, replace the lid and let the rice simmer for 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes. Remove from dash and serve. Remove from the pan and serve. Students, are you all understood? See, wash the rice until the water runs clear. Drain the water and keep the rice aside. In a medium-sized pan, bring water to stove and boil it. And fourth one is add the salt, stir and then add the rinsed and drained rice and reduce the heat. Cover the rice and let it simmer on low heat for 20 minutes. Check after 15 minutes to see if all the water has evaporated, if it has the rice is cooked. If not, replace the lid and let the rice simmer for 5 more minutes. Remove from the pan and serve. Okay, students, are you all understood? Work in group. Here they give some points. Discuss how your mother cooks rice in your house. Write down the ingredients you need like rice and water. Next, list the steps in cooking. The words in the recipe above will help you. Each person in the group should tell others how rice is cooked in their house. Now, write down the recipe. Okay, students, you have to discuss with your friends and you have to write it your home. Okay, this is your homework. You have to write it in your note and take a picture and send me through the WhatsApp. Okay, students, you have to do your homework must. Creative writing. Your mother has written a message for you before going out. Write a message to her after finishing your lunch. Your mother's message. Your lunch is in the kitchen. Please warm before eating it. There is some curd in the pot. If you want it, clean up the kitchen after you finish eating. I will be back at 4 p.m. You can go out to play at 3:30 p.m. if you want, but be back by 5:30. Be back by 5:30 p.m. What you reply to your mother? Yes, Mom, I had the lunch and then I liked the curd. I have cleaned the kitchen. I am going to play. I will be back by 5:30 p.m. Like that. Yes, you have to reply your mom. Then write about the following in your message. See, you ate lunch. You ate lunch. You ate lunch dash. Which was in the kitchen. You ate lunch. Which was in the kitchen. And then what you liked dash, mention the dish. What you liked? I liked the curd. I liked the curd. I liked the curd. Then you have cleaned the kitchen. Yes. After eating, you have cleaned the kitchen after eating. And then you are going out to play. I will be back by 5:30 p.m. I will be back by 5:30 p.m. Yes. Next, the poem. See? Let me read the poem, okay? Next class, I will explain you. The poem, I dream of spices, I dream of spices. My mother would say, little boy Raj, go to Muthu's and get some cinnamon, bitter leaves and ginger and garlic. And so I go to the shops singing all the way, and when Muthu asked me what I had want, I rattle off a list. Sesame seeds, onions, tomatoes, pickles. And back home, mother twist my ears. Ouch! That poet name Raj Armugam. Raj Armugam. What is the poem title? I dream of spices. I dream of spices. Okay, let me see the glossaries. Cinnamon. Cinnamon, the bark of a tree that gives a delicious flavor to food. Garlic, a small bulb with a strong taste used in cooking. Rattle off, recite. Rattle off means recite. Sesame seeds, gingerly seeds. Gingerly seeds. Ouch! Sound that expresses pain. You have a pain? What you told? Ouch! Oh my God! It's paining like that. Ouch! Sound that expresses pain. Okay, students. Let me explain the poem in next class. You have to read and memorize the book bag exercise, and you have to understood that 2 or 3 words from the box to describe each picture. Okay, you have to read it well, and then definitely you have to write a 2 mark questions in your note and read the passage again, and also you have to read the poem lines also. Okay, students, those who are not paid your school fees, kindly you have to pay your fees and bring your notebooks. Very soon our school were opened. You have to ready to come. Okay, students, keep safe at your home. Thank you, students.